Now I will make the couscous for matchboos. Olive oil, then onion. Now let's add garlic. You can chop it if you want, but I will blend it later. Let's add tomato. Then cover it to cook fast.